Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the text to your picture on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the Photo button within the Create New section, and after that select the picture that you would like to edit. Click on the text button down below, which is the sixth option, and here you should type in the text. Here you can see that you have the chance to select the color of your text. You can set the border of it, you can add shadows, label, you can set the opacity on this slide down below. As you click on the AA button in the middle of the screen, you have the chance to alter the font, and you can also place it within the screen using these three slides. When you are done, click on the checkmark icon on the right side of the screen, and then the text will appear on your picture, and you also have the chance to resize it and position it within the picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.